I come from a family of business people. My grandfather's father invented automobile leasing. His uncle invented the self-service store. I was bred, groomed, and meant to be a business person until I decided that I wanted to be a philosopher artist. At 18, many of us see entrepreneurship as absolutely at odds with being a creative. But by the time you get to your mid-20s and to your 30s, you see that it's exactly the tools that will empower you as an artist to have a career and succeed in this world. General education is like a spine for the educational experience at studio school. And on that spine are two really core values to us that we believe set us apart: entrepreneurship and storytelling. We have the Joseph Campbell Writers Room, where students can come every day and develop and work on their stories. But we also have Studio Sidecar and the Collab Labs that empower and encourage students to come up with entrepreneurial new stories and ideas and productions. It's part of what makes them proud to be studio school students. It's part of what helps them become very special, very, very special young artists and entrepreneurs.